In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind Mi phone connectivity issues and explore comprehensive solutions to ensure a smooth connection between your Mi phone and PC. Part 1. Why is Mi phone not connecting to PC? A Mi phone may not connect to a PC due to issues with the USB port, faulty cable, dirty port, outdated drivers, or incorrect settings on either device. Part 2. How do I connect my Mi phone to my computer? Let's explore practical solutions to address each issue systematically. Fix 1. Attempt a different USB port. Try using a different USB port if your Mi phone isn't connecting to your PC, as faulty ports can often cause connection issues. Fix 2. Check the charging cable. A damaged or faulty charging cable can prevent your Mi phone from connecting to the PC. Try using a different cable to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 3. Ensure micro USB port is clean. A dirty micro USB port can block the connection between your Mi phone and PC. Clean the port with compressed air or a small brush to resolve the issue. Fix 4. Try using another PC. Testing the connection on another PC can help determine if the issue is with your Mi phone or the original computer, helping to identify the root cause. Fix 5. Restart the phone and PC. Restart Mi phone. Long press the power button on the Xiaomi phone until a pop-up window pops up. In the pop-up option, select Restart. Restart PC. Tap the Start button, then choose Restart. Fix 6. Connect the phone to the PC as MTP. Step 1. Plug the USB cable into both the Mi phone and the computer. Step 2. On your Mi phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification panel. Look for the USB options or connectivity settings. Step 3. Select the MTP Media Transfer Protocol option from the USB settings. This mode is explicitly designed for file transfers. Step 4. Confirm your selection to set the Mi phone to MTP mode. Step 5. Check if the Mi phone establishes a stable connection with the computer. Allow a few moments for the devices to recognize each other. Fix 7. Use the developer option to connect with the PC. Step 1. On your Mi phone, go to Settings and select Additional Settings. Step 2. In the main Settings menu, find and open Developer Options and USB Debugging. Fix 8. Update the MTP driver on the PC. Step 1. On your PC, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Step 2. In Device Manager, find and expand the category labeled Portable Devices. Step 3. Look for your Mi phone in the list of portable devices. It may be listed under its model name or as a MTP device. Step 4. Right-click on your Mi phone or the MTP device and choose Update Driver. Step 5. Opt for the automatic search for updated driver software. Allow the computer to connect to the internet and search for the latest MTP driver. Step 6. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the driver update process. After the driver update is complete, restart your PC to apply the changes. Fix 9. Contact support team. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to Mi customer support for personalized assistance. They can guide you through advanced troubleshooting steps or arrange for a repair if necessary. Part 3. Connect Xiaomi phone to PC wirelessly. Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant is a wireless solution for managing your Mi phone from your computer. Step 1. Before entering the connection, download, install, and enable Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 2. Select Connect via Wi-Fi. Then download and install the Android version of Coolmuster Android Assistant. Launch the Android version, scan the QR code, and establish a successful connection. Step 3. You now have the ability to seamlessly manage data on your Xiaomi phone directly from your computer. For example, you can transfer pictures from your phone to your computer. Go to Photos, check the photo you want to move, click the Export button.